sun is beating down on your neck, and you are desperate for a breeze, any breeze at all. You see an ad for a tiny glowing box that promises to turn your sweltering desk into a private oasis for just a few dollars. It looks sleek. It has neon lights and a misting function that makes it look like a high-tech spa device. But before you click that buy button and hand over your hard-earned cash, we need to talk about the reality of these viral cooling gadgets. People are calling this the ultimate summer lifesaver. They say it is perfect for your dorm room or your office. It plugs right into a standard power port and hums away while you work. On the surface, it sounds like the perfect solution for anyone trying to avoid a massive electricity bill. But the internet is currently buzzing with some very different stories. When you dig into the reviews on major consumer platforms, the picture starts to look a lot messier. We are seeing a flood of complaints about shipping times that feel like they take an eternity. Customers are reporting that what shows up in the mail does not quite match the glossy photos from the advertisement. Some people describe the plastic as feeling cheap or flimsy. Others say the cooling power is barely more than a tiny desk fan with a damp sponge. This is where the red flags really start to wave. There's a specific company behind this device that has a very spotty reputation. Their trust ratings are hovering in the danger zone. Many buyers have struggled to get a response from customer service when they ask for a refund. It is the classic story of a product that physically exists but fails to live up to the massive hype generated by social media marketing. Now, to be fair, it is not a total ghost story. Some people actually received their orders and felt they got exactly what they paid for. A few even managed to get their money back after a long fight with support. So calling it an outright scam might be a bit too far. It is more like a gamble. You might get a decent little fan that helps you through a heat wave, or you might end up with a plastic paperweight and a headache. You have to remember that these units are not real air conditioners. They do not have compressors or chemical refrigerants. They use evaporation. That means they work best in very dry climates and very small spaces. If you are sitting right in front of it, you might feel a chill. If you expect it to cool down an entire room, you are going to be disappointed. These gadgets are often sold under multiple different names with the same stock footage. That is a huge warning sign in the world of online shopping. If you still feel like taking the risk, please be smart about how you pay. Use a credit card or a secure online payment service that offers buyer protection. Never just send your money into the void without a safety net. This is one of those situations where the old saying holds a lot of weight. If the deal feels too incredible to be true, it probably is. Keep your expectations low and your skepticism high. The world of online gadgets is full of these shiny objects designed to grab your attention during a heat wave. Take a breath and look at the fine print before you get burned by a device meant to keep you cool. Think about the physics for a second. A device that runs on a small phone charger simply does not have the power to drop the temperature of a bedroom by 10 degrees. It is physically impossible. The misting feature might feel nice for a second. However, it can also make your room feel humid and sticky. This happens if there is no ventilation. We want to believe in a cheap fix for a hot summer, but often these ads are just selling a feeling rather than a functional machine. If you want real relief, you might be better off sticking with a high-quality floor fan or a traditional window unit. Stay savvy and do not let a flashy light show distract you from a questionable return policy. Always check for a physical address and a real phone number on the website before you buy. If all you see is a generic contact form, that is usually a sign to run the other direction. Your comfort is important, but so is your financial security. Give yourself time to research before the heat makes you do something impulsive.